So the standard neck raise, if you have one of these, just a neck harness that goes around the head and you can hang weights off it, that would be the ideal situation. If you don't have one of these, we'll cover what you can do in the meantime. Just gonna loop this through here. Make sure it's even on the head. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna lean forward to about so your torso makes about a 45-degree angle with the ground. And then you're gonna lower your head down all the way, and then you're gonna bring it up. Now, if you don't have a neck harness, what I would do is I would just take a weight. Generally, the weight you use with this variation is going to be a lot less than what you'd use for if you had a neck harness on. What you're going to do is just going to kind of balance it on your head here. Same thing, same forward lean. You're going to hold it with your fingers. You're going to bring it down and then bring your head up. If you want to start training like some of the muscles on the side of the neck and do like some side neck raises, and if you don't want to mess with the weights at all, you can always use manual resistance. It's pretty easy for like the side ones. Just kind of press on the head and then bring your head kind of this way. If you have one, use a neck harness, use a plate, or you can just use some like manual resistance or use like a towel or something like that.